Now, what is the most amount of money you've ever earned in one single week? These are all the earnings questions. After that, we're getting into tips. So the most you made in one single week. Life-changing money.
I probably did on average, like, my best week was probably 600 to 650 a day.
Per day?
Yeah.
So that's 6 times 7 days. What is that? 3 grand? 4,000? No.
Yeah, 6 times 7 is 42.
So you said you average 650 a day?
Yeah, I want to say.
650 a day times 7. You made $4,500 in 1 week.
Yeah, I know this sounds really crazy, you guys, but I was really strategic in like what batches
we need to guys, make sure if you're watching these clips, make sure you go through all the clips because we're gonna break down her strategy. Because this is crazy to me. 4,000 in 1 week. That's crazy. I remember you told me you made a lot of money, but I didn't realize it was 4,000 in a week.
This was no joke. I wasn't talking to like anyone. I didn't have time because I was always driving or getting groceries and I couldn't sleep. Can I say that I smoked? I would have to smoke to sleep at night because I was such on a money adrenaline high that I couldn't go to sleep and I wanted to work the next day. It was crazy.
That's crazy. Yeah. Did you notice you had any like physical, like, did you notice you were, I don't know, like tired or like?
I noticed I was really dependent on Red Bull.
Yeah. Like
actually I would buy cases because that's all I would have time for.
Dang.
Even like, yeah, crazy.
Would you eat breakfast before you left to start the day or no?
No, I don't think so. I think I was just so like pumped that I wasn't hungry.
You can't even cook a couple eggs?
No time, Dylan, no time.
Eggs over bacon? Okay.